Back to Resin Bar. This clock will surely be going to brighten up your living space. So without further ado, let's jump into this creative process. Very first thing I do is prepare the MDF. I'm using white acrylic paint to paint it. You can use gesso too. Now securing the back with tape and latex to avoid dripping. Now I'm using this pyramid riser and placing them beneath my MDF so that it can create a height between my work table and MDF and give resin a space to drip. Now I'm dividing resin in 3 parts. It's time to mix the pigment. The first pigment I'm using is blue mica powder and second is brown opaque. And the last pigment is white opaque. I have taken more resin for white in comparison to the blue and brown. Mix the color well and make sure there are no lumps left. After mixing colors, I have poured the white onto MDF. Now using silicone brush, I am spreading it evenly and covering the entire surface. You can spread it with your hands too. After that, I am pouring the blue and making a slightly curvy line. I will pour blue in 3-4 lines. And in the very same method, pouring the brown too. Now I am using heat gun to mix the colors all together because I want lesser amount of blue and brown, so I am adding more white into this. And after this, again I am using heat gun to mix and spreading the colors. You can use your own creativity. You don't have to just pour it like I am doing. Yes, now it looks good and the way I wanted it to look. After this, I will leave this in a dust-free area to dry. Before we jump into the next step, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates of our latest videos. So this is the next day, guys. I am using acrylic Roman number ring to place the number in clock. You can use numbers too. I am using this fire pit stones, arranging them outer side of the ring and covering the whole area. After arranging the stones, I am slowly pouring the clear resin over the stones and press them gently to ensure they adhere well. Now pouring the resin in leftover area and carefully cover the entire surface. So here I think there is a white space is more, so I am going to put little bit blue resin over there. If you try this clock, then don't forget to share it with us. Now let's cover this and leave it in a dust-free area to cure. Now it's fully cured and ready to add the clock mechanism. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic resin art projects.